Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is May. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. As you guys can see from the title, I'm doing a mini twist on my natural 4C hair. And guys, this is a twist with a different, you guys are gonna see that in a minute. Now my hair looks a little bit curly because this is the second day I couldn't finish the twist when I started as of yesterday, because I had a lot of things doing. I was attending to my baby. You know, as a new mom, you have a lot of responsibility in taking care of a newborn, so that was what I was obviously doing. So today I just picked up my camera and said, why not show you guys how I was able to achieve this amazing twist. This twist is going to last you for like, you know, anywhere 4 to 6 weeks. First, you will need water, you will need your leave-in. This is Aunt Jack leave-in moisture retention conditioner, and that is my twisting butter from As I Am, and that is my oil from Uhuru Natural. So, and that is my detangling brush and band with a rat tail comb. These are the things you need. I've already sectioned that part of my hair. I'm going to spritz it with water just to soften it and add moisture to it a little bit, and then you guys will see what I'm going to do in a minute. Now, I don't know why y'all are just missing out in doing twists. Obviously, this is the first time I'm doing this particular size of twist, and I'm so loving it because it's so lightweighted. You guys can see how versatile this hair would turn out to be when I am done. Yes, so back to moisturizing. So I just added a leave-in conditioner to this section. I'm gonna rub it into my hair, making sure every strand of my hair gets this goodness, using my fingers to, you know, put it together. I'm going in with my twisting butter. I'm going to apply that as well and go in with my oil to seal in the moisture. Yeah, and after which I'm just going to detangle. You guys will see that in a minute. Now, this twist is a little bit different from your regular kind of twist. I'm going to show you guys how you're going to twist your hair so that it can last you for up to 4, 6, 7, 8 weeks, or as long as you want to keep it in, and also wash your hair without having the fear that your twist is going to unravel, you're going to have frizz or anything like that. So if you use this method, you don't have to worry about all those things. So I'm carefully detangling my hair, taking out shaded hair that are stuck in my hair. Just, you know, carefully detangle that, and I'll show you guys how we're gonna braid this hair. Actually, because you guys we see how I'm gonna braid it. Yeah. So, and again, you want to carefully detangle your hair. You don't have to just be gentle with your hair. Yes, just be gentle. Yeah, so once I'm done, I'm going to use my hand to section a little portion like the size I'm going for, and once I feel it's not straight enough, that's when I go with my rat tail comb to, you know, section it properly. Now, once you want to braid your hair, first what you're going to do is just to start with your regular 3-strand twist from the roots, like that. Just divide your hair into 3 pieces and start making your braids. So once you braid your hair up to a certain point, or yes, up to a certain point that you feel it's okay, you're gonna divide one part of the hair and just add it to the remaining 2 parts, making it 2 twists, because you're going to start twisting it in 2 like that. So now this is where the trick comes in. Once you're holding the two the 2 part of your hair, you're going to use your left hand to twist downward like that, and use your right hand to twist upward and crisscross it. Your left hand will twist first downward and your right hand will twist upwards, then you crisscross it. Just continue in that pattern until you get to the tip of your hair, right, until you get to the end part of your hair. So as you are twisting, you are adding your twisting butter. That's what I'm doing. Is a little bit fast, so I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of what I'm trying to say. Now, this style is so versatile, like you can literally put your hair in different kind of style. After this video, I'm going to do a separate video showing you guys how you can style your mini twist in different amazing way. So I'm just twirling that around my fingers. Guys, you're gonna see how this twist will look like. Oh my god, can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, so this is it. I don't know why I've been missing out in putting my hair in twists for this long, because I'm loving it. It's so lightweighted, and you know what, you have the advantage of you putting your hair in twists, that you have access to your roots and also your hair. Now I'm taking another portion. I'm using my hand to rake through the hair, and I'm going to divide that hair into three. Start up with my regular 3-strand twist. I'll braid up to a portion, take one piece of the hair, add it to one part and the other part, making it 2-strand. Then I start twisting, as you guys can see. Now I'm doing my regular 3-strand twist. I'm going to braid that up to a certain point that I feel I'm okay with it, and then I'm going to do a divide. As you guys can see what I'm doing, I'm dividing one section, add it to the 2 part, and so I'm going to twist very tight from there. My left hand is twisting downward, my right hand upward, and I crisscross. Downward, upward, and I crisscross. My left hand is twisting downward, pause, and your right hand is twisting upward. Then you crisscross it very tightly. I'll show you guys. If you install this braid, you're gonna come back and thank me later. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. So basically that is what you do for this twist. It's pretty simple and easy. So I just keep on braiding that until I get to the tip of my hair or to the ends of my hair, and just twirl it around, and boom, that is it. I hope you guys do understand what I'm trying to say in this video. So at this point, I will leave you guys to watch, and I'll talk to you guys later. So basically guys, that is it. Just twist your hair, twist your left hand is twisting downward and your right hand is twisting upward, and crisscross. It is as simple as that. And that is it guys. and I'll see you when I'm done with the braid. So guys, this is obviously the next day because I couldn't finish it. Yeah, so when I'm going to bed, I try to, stretch out my twist by bounding it, and I'm gonna unravel that, and you guys will see in a minute. So guys, this is the finished look of the mini twist, and guys, I'm loving this hairstyle. It's so lightweighted, like I feel there's nothing on my head because this is so freaking light. And guys, the funny or the amazing part of it is that you can do whatever you want to do with your hair with this style, and it's so versatile. You can put your hair in any direction. Plus, you have access to your scalp and your hair. I'm just putting a little bit of accessory just to bring out the amazing look. Guys, don't you love this style? Oh my goodness, like you guys don't know how happy I am and how fulfilled I am that I actually made this style. It's so easy and it's beautiful. Guys, look at the look. Just take a look at. Yeah guys, that is it. If you've watched up to this moment and you enjoyed this video, please do me well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post bell notification, that way you get notified, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That way YouTube will recommend this video to people who want to watch this kind of content. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.